Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to fix Play Store download pending problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily fix download pending problem on Play Store. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store for the first solution. Now once you open your Play Store, click on your profile at the top right corner. Now once you click on this option, just scroll to where you can see settings. So click on settings over here. Now once you click on settings, you can see network preferences. Click on that and you can see app download preferences. Now click on the first option which says over any network, then you click on OK. Now just go back and then click on your profile at the top right corner once again. Click on settings, and once you click on settings, go to about, and once you go to about, you can see Play Store version and you can see update Play Store. Click on update Play Store to update your Play Store. This is the only way to update your Play Store application. Now once you are done with that, for the last solution, open settings over here. Now once you open settings, scroll to where you can see apps and notifications. Click on apps and notifications. Depending on the device that you are using, per the device that I'm using, you can see application settings over here. Some of the devices you can see there applications. Immediately you click on apps and notifications, so click on application settings and then look for your Play Store over here. So you can see Play Store, Google Play Store. Click on that, and once you click on Google Play Store, all you need to do is to just click on storage and cache. Now once you click on storage and cache, clear storage and cache of Google Play Store. Now you can do same to your Google Play Services. Do same. Click on storage and cache. So once you click on storage and cache, do same, clear cache and then storage. Once you click on Google Play Services, clear cache and storage, and that's all. So with this you can easily face this problem. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video